There are several national electrical code violations when considering turning a panel board or load center into a retractable power system, similar to a cable reel. One violation concerns receptacles on branch circuits. Article 400.12 states that receptacles shall not be installed on branch circuits of more than 20 amps. Another relevant article is 404.2a, which specifies that fixed or semi-fixed receptacle assemblies must be listed as a unit. This means the assembly must be tested and approved by a recognized testing laboratory. Article 404.10d addresses the hazard of cord-connected receptacles, stating that they shall not be used in a manner that poses a tripping or physical hazard. A retractable power system hanging from the ceiling introduces such hazards. Article 404.10e further restricts receptacle placement, prohibiting their installation in spaces where they may be exposed to physical damage. The nature of a retractable system makes it susceptible to damage from impact or misuse. If a raceway is used to support a ceiling suspended fixture, Article 501.11 mandates secure support at intervals not exceeding 3 feet. This ensures the weight of the assembly is properly distributed. Article 501.11c2 requires that the suspension assembly be supported by a permanent support member and not be subject to vibration. Vibration can loosen connections and create unsafe conditions. Article 501.11c3 emphasizes that the weight of the fixture and its suspension assembly shall not exceed the load rating of the support system. Overloading the support system can lead to collapse. Furthermore, Article 502.2d prohibits concealing flexible cords within or behind building finishes. This prevents overheating and potential fire hazards. Article 502.11 explicitly states that flexible cords shall not be used as a substitute for fixed wiring. A retractable power system attempts to use flexible cords in place of permanent wiring. Finally, Article 502.15 restricts the use of flexible cords where they are subject to mechanical damage or abuse. A retractable system is prone to such damage due to its mobile nature and potential for misuse.